This is a demonstration of patient share reading a QR code or Smart Health link to access a patient's full health record. I will use the Smart Health link from the patient to access and load the patient's record into Patient Share. Here is the patient's full record. The first thing we see is a summary. We have her demographics along with all the other information that was included in the link that was shared. For any of these, we can click on Details to get more information. If we go down to her conditions, we can click here to see the details. Because this is all in FHIR, the provider will see as much detail in these discrete data elements as is available. Those are her conditions. We can also see her demographics, her medications, again with any detail that's available. Her allergies. It's helpful to see the details especially related to the manifestation of the allergy. Immunizations, vital signs, and we can also graph any of this information as we dig into the details. Same with the lab results. Discrete data makes it easy to graph to visualize results over time. We have devices. We also support clinical notes. One of the requirements for the Kill the Clipboard MVP is to provide the data in a PDF. The PDF could either be downloaded, printed, or attached to the patient's record in the EHR. And then we have procedures. Again, with any and all details that are included, this data could be written back to the EMR if and when the EMR can accept a FHIR write. This would allow the provider to choose what specifically is imported into the EMR. This app is also available as a Smart on FHIR launch, so that it could be available within the patient's context of the provider's EMR. This is intended to make it easy for the provider to get the patient's information in a number of different ways. Stay tuned, as we will be continuing to expand the functionality of this application.